Follow-up story on this 2018 Honda. This was the one that I came for a recharge and it ended up turning into a leak check procedure. So if you remember, I told you it was down at the fitting where you see a hole right now. And what it turned out to be was it's the part of the line that inserts with the O-ring, capturing the O-ring that goes into the insert of that square fitting right there. It literally broke off 360 degrees around internally in that little sleeve area. And this is a pattern problem on these Hondas. This is the fourth one in this last year on this particular year, make, model vehicle that I've seen that failure on. So it's nothing for a service manager or owner to blame the technician, say, hey, he did something wrong, he broke that. Or it's nothing that a service technician should feel like, oh, what did I do? I did something wrong. No, this is a defect like many of Honda's AC defects. Honda has a problem with the leaky condensers. A major wide nation recall, or they didn't turn it into recall. They extended a warranty. They extended the warranties on their leaking condensers. Honda has a problem with the compressors, front shaft seal leaking. That's another problem. Honda has a few little problems with the evaporator, very rarely, but they've been having that. And the other one is this liquid line. Once you remove it and you try to reuse it, it gets a micro fracture all the way around the barrel that extends, that has the little capture area that an O-ring sits inside, and it shears all the way around. And that's another pattern problem. So Honda has an issue with their air conditioning system. So that's a follow-up. They're ordering the line. Supposedly it's going to come back tomorrow, and I'll be recharging this one again tomorrow.